Hello lovelies, welcome to today's video. Where are my Moi-Moi lovers? Gather here. I'm sharing with you another way you can enjoy your Moi-Moi without going through the stress of peeling beans, honestly. Or are you allergic to beans? Worry no more. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare a delicious Moi-Moi without beans using lentils. So guys, keep watching and let's get started. For the choice of protein, I'm using mackerel fish, well cleaned. Add into a pot, season it up with some onions, salt, season cubes, curry powder, but it is optional. Now add water, cover the pot and cook until it is properly done. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. So guys, we are using red bell pepper. Give it a proper wash using white vinegar. Once done, deseed and cut into smaller parts or size and set aside. Next, lentils. Do we call it red or orange lentils? Anyways, you've seen it already, right? Okay, it is loaded with a lot of nutrients and very proteinous, just as beans, if not more than. Soak in a water for about 5 to 10 minutes and set aside. Now let's check on the fish. It is done. Separate the fish from the stock and make sure it is properly deboned, just the way you are seeing here. Once you are done, set it aside.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution.
Now the fish is done, go ahead and cut the onions. At this point, all the prep scenes is ready. Now transfer the washed lentils into a blender and add some onions, red bell pepper, season cubes, crayfish. You add to your taste, okay? Add some nutmeg powder, little water, cover and blend until you've gotten a smooth consistency, alright? The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below or comment section, so rush and grab yours and enjoy this delicious and tantalizing recipe.
I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put call we active.
At this point, we are done blending the lentils. Transfer into a bowl. You add some vegetable oil, your shredded fish, fresh pepper, salt, mix to combine. Feel free to taste for salt or seasonings if required. For the toppings, you can use any protein of your choice, be it egg, meat, whichever one you prefer.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal.
Now the lentils is ready. Go ahead and boil some water.
Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day.
Let's prepare the bowl for the moi-moi. It all depends on what you use for your moi-moi. So at this point, I'm going to be using my moi-moi plate, okay? Make sure it is proper clean and oil the plates. This helps to prevent the moi-moi from sticking to the bottom of the plate. Yeah.
You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever.
Now it's time to portion the batter into the bowls.
To deal with, I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you live, Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you.
So I'll be topping it up with some fish. You can also use eggs, liver, or your preferable ones, okay? And we are done adding all the riches. Now cover it up. So back to the pot. Now arrange the moi-moi in the pots and cover. Allow it to steam for like 45 minutes. But once you notice that the water in the pot has dried up, carefully add more water if it is not yet done, okay? Cook until it is done. You can check this by putting a clear dry knife into the moi-moi. If the knife comes out clean, that means it is done. Yeah, our moi-moi lentils moi-moi is ready, guys. This is so super delicious and can be enjoyed with pudding, curry, or in whichever way you prefer. Honestly, this tastes so super good. Hope you try out this recipe and let us know what you think in the comment section. We have come to the end of today's video. Hope you find this video helpful. And please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more amazing and delicious recipe. Thank you all for watching and God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.